bringing ready for Palaong Bansa here at the University of San Jose Religious Coliseum, Cebu City. Presenting to you our fourth quarter final match for the volleyball girls team tournament to be played between St. Alexis College Incorporated from Coronadal City, Region 12, and from the host team, University of San Jose Religious Referees for this match, we have our first referee, Sir Patrick Alan Castillo, National Referee. And our second referee, Sir Joel Moore Labe, National Referee. Outside here, jersey number 13, then is Pieces. The outside. And another one down there, jersey number 14, Kabina. And jersey number 15, Aguilar. And the middle, jersey number 18, Jason. And the head coach, Jordan Wolf. Outside here, jersey number 8, Labato 70. Outside here, jersey number 10, Lexon Richard. And then number 11, Gabinan Julie. And the liberal, Uno Duto. And the head coach,